Can we do it then?
Not every drone is built for the same job, and that's where most people get confused. At Garuda Aerospace, the first question is never, which drone do you want? It's always, what problem are you trying to solve? If the goal is agriculture, the drone needs precision spraying, stable flight at low height, strong motors, and smart payload control. That's how crops get uniform coverage, reduced chemical use, and better results on the field. If the requirement is surveillance or security, endurance, camera clarity, night capability, and real-time data transmission become more important than payload size. If the need is cinematography or professional photography, the focus shifts to image quality, flight stability, smooth motion, and precise control. That's where Droni, Garuda's high-performance compact quadcopter, comes in. Designed to deliver sharp visuals, smooth aerial shots, and professional-grade results for creators and commercial projects. For industrial inspections, drones must handle harsh environments, fly close to complex structures, and capture accurate data safely without stopping operations or putting human lives at risk. And for training and skill development, reliability, safety systems, and easy handling matter more than advanced features. Garuda doesn't believe in one drone fits all. Every drone is designed around real-world needs, real terrain, and real users. Because the right drone isn't about flying high, it's about solving the right problem the right way.